Hi guys, it's so good to see you again. I hope you missed me because I'm back with another video.
Hi guys, I'm back with another video and I'm so happy to see you guys. I'm shooting after a long time. The fun fact is I haven't really decided what I'm gonna do in this video, but then let's find out. I'm wearing this top from Shein. I bought this top from Shein. I'm gonna just wait, I'm gonna just do this so that you can see. Okay, so this is the top and I'm wearing this earring I bought from Ball of Wax. This is a really nice earring. You can wear it with western and or style it with an ethnic outfit. I think I'm gonna go with a dewy makeup with yellow eyes.
So I have nothing on my face right now except the lip balm, and I'm gonna start off with a primer. It's the Huda Beauty Complexion Perfection Pre-Makeup Base. Using the right tool obviously affects the texture of the makeup, so I'm using my fingers so that it gives a smooth finish.
This primer is like a long lost love of mine who I'm so lucky to get back, because this primer is literally this smoothest thing that I've ever put on my skin right now. It's so smooth, it's so smooth.
In the next step, I'm gonna hide my under eyes first, and I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Natural. I'm gonna create a V under my eyes and then blend it with a beauty blender. Moving on with the foundation, I'm using the newly launched Sugar Drop the Base Serum Foundation. This is a serum foundation, so it gives a velvety finish and not a matte finish. It gives a velvety finish and not a matte finish, which will perfectly go with the dewy look that I'm going for. But I'm also gonna mix a strobe cream. This is the Master Strobing Cream by Face Studio Maybelline, and I'm in the shade Pink. I took a little bit on the brush and then I'm blending it along with the foundation. I want to create more coverage under my eye area, so I'm gonna use Fit Me Concealer once more. I'm gonna set the base using the Color Essence Compact Powder. I'm gonna use a eyebrow pencil in a brown shade for my eyebrows. To set the base in its place, I'm gonna use a fixing spray. I'm using the Freedom Pro Studio Fixing Spray. I've been using this for a while and this is literally magic. This literally locks the makeup inside and makes it stay. Moving on with the eyeshadow, I'm using the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsession. So I'm gonna go in with a burnt orange shade on my crease and blend it using the brush. I'm gonna use a skin color on my lower lash line and on my eyelids, and then top it up with a shimmery shade from the middle row and put it on my eyelids like so. For the mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. It is a gorgeous lash lifting mascara which literally volumizes your lashes. I use it very rarely because it's too difficult to take it off. I'm using the highlighter palette from Sugar, and this one is in Glow Genius. highlighting my brow bones using this tiny liner brush, and then highlighting my cheekbones like so. For contour, I'm using the Wet n Wild contour stick, and this is in the shade Oaks on You. I'm going to take a little bit of product in a brush and then create a C-like shape. I'm using a pen liner from Me Now. A wing would go very nice with this eye look, so I'm gonna just lift up that end and fill in the line. I'm using the Flicka K Matte with Matte lipstick in the shade Walnut Wonder. It's a burnt orange and browny shade which goes perfectly with my eyes.
Thank you for watching, guys. This is the complete look, and I'm not gonna be making anything more complicated. Soft, subtle, brown, yellow and everything. So if you like the look, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with a new video next time, and till then, I love you. Bye.